Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you what I have been working on this week, and as you can tell from my voice I'm a little bit sick, so this video will be faster. I've been producing a lot of songs for the game. I make a song for a shoot with every weapon that I currently have in the game: the pistol, the rifle, the shotgun and a sniper. I also made a song for the player when it moves. It sounds like a cricket, but maybe I can do it better if I have more time or more inspiration maybe. And I have a song for one enemy at the moment, the bomber enemy. It sounds when it explodes, and I tried to make a sound like an explosion, but it was the first sound that I made, so it's pure madness. I don't know. I don't even know what I was thinking when I made that sound. I thought like a drum will sound like an explosion if I do it correctly, but maybe it's not so good. And then at the final step I make a little music. I call it robot music. This thing is super simple. It has a good start, and then it keeps going like in a loop for I think like 20 minutes, and then it goes off. I make it so it can loop. So that's everything I have done this week. See you guys.